Hey everyone! Today, I'm sharing a super simple and healthy homemade dog food recipe with just 5 ingredients. Let's get cooking for our furry best friends. You'll only need these 5 wholesome ingredients: chicken for protein, brown rice for energy, carrots for vitamins, spinach for iron, and eggs for extra nutrition. First, let's boil the chicken until fully cooked. This will take about 15 to 20 minutes, and it's the perfect protein base for your dog's meal. While the chicken is cooking, get the brown rice going. It's a great source of fiber and keeps your dog full and energized. Next, we'll chop up some fresh carrots and spinach. These veggies are packed with nutrients to keep your pup healthy and happy. Sauté the veggies lightly to soften them up, then scramble the eggs. Both are great for adding vitamins and extra protein. Now that everything is cooked, let's combine it all. Shred the chicken, add the rice, veggies, and eggs, and mix it up into a balanced meal. And there you have it, your homemade dog food is ready. Serve up a portion and store the rest for later. This recipe can last a few days in the fridge. Your dog will love this homemade meal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more pet-friendly content. See you next time.